how to create an account on Framer A.I. So if you know where to do that, just head over to framer.com/features/AI. Now you can see in here the AI tools that they have, and you can also see in here a mock-up or a screenshot of what it will look like. So for this case, they have a lot of things, text rewrite, and all of those. So if you want to create a website, you can head over and then just go and then create an account first. Click on this Start for Free today or the Start for Free on this option. And then once you click on that, it will open in here a new tab that will actually show you the Framer login. So if you don't have an account yet, just head over and then choose any of these two options. I'll head over and continue with Google right here. And now once I have done that, this will load and it will show you my Google accounts. So just head over and then log in on your Google or email, whichever you think is the most convenient option on those two. Now it will direct you again to the Framer and then it will ask you for your name. So I'll head over and then just add in here a name. And then we have in here our email. Just agree to their terms and conditions. And then from there, click on continue. Now, once you have done that, they will direct you to the next page that will actually load you to their account portal or theme that they have. Now, this will direct you to the website builder that they have. And then once you have created an account, you can actually create a website on Framer.ai. So that's how you create an account on Framer AI. Hope we helped.